Welcome to Benefits of Channel. Let's talk Shilajit. For centuries, humans have turned to nature for remedies and healing. From the dense forests to the high mountains, nature has always provided us with an abundant pharmacy. Plants and minerals offer powerful compounds that can support our well-being. These natural elements have been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, from common colds to chronic conditions. In a world of synthetic solutions, rediscovering these natural treasures is more important than ever. Modern medicine often overlooks the benefits of these ancient remedies, but they hold the key to holistic health. One such treasure, hidden deep within the rocks of the Himalayas, is Shilajit. This mineral-rich resin is formed over centuries from the decomposition of plant matter. This potent substance has been revered for its remarkable health benefits for generations. Known for boosting energy, enhancing vitality, and supporting overall wellness, Shilajit is a testament to the power of nature's pharmacy. A Shilajit is a sticky, resin-like substance found primarily in the rocks of the Himalayas. It is formed over centuries from the slow decomposition of plant matter and minerals. This unique process creates a complex substance rich in fulvic acid, humic acid, and over 84 minerals. These potent compounds are believed to be responsible for Shilajit's wide range of health benefits. Shilajit is a natural energy booster. It improves mitochondrial function, the powerhouses of our cells. This helps increase ATP production, the primary energy currency of our bodies. This translates to increased energy levels, reduced fatigue, and improved physical performance. Whether you're an athlete or simply looking for a natural pick-me-up, Shilajit can help you power through your day. Section 4. Sharpening the mind, cognitive benefits of Shilajit. Shilajit is not just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. Studies show that Shilajit can enhance cognitive function, memory, and learning. It protects brain cells from damage and reduces inflammation. This makes Shilajit a valuable tool for supporting brain health and potentially reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Section 5. Scientific validation studies on Shilajit's efficacy. This section delves into the rigorous scientific research that has been conducted to validate the health benefits of Shilajit. The health benefits of Shilajit are not just anecdotal, they are backed by science. Researchers from various fields have dedicated years to studying this ancient substance. Numerous studies have investigated the effects of Shilajit on various aspects of health. These studies span across different domains, including physical performance, cognitive function, and overall well-being. For example, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that Shilajit significantly improved exercise performance and reduced fatigue in healthy volunteers. This study involved a controlled trial where participants were monitored over several weeks. Another study, published in the International Journal of Alzheimer's Disease, showed that Shilajit improved cognitive function in patients with mild Alzheimer's disease. The researchers noted significant improvements in memory and mental clarity, suggesting potential benefits for aging populations. These findings are just the tip of the iceberg. Ongoing research continues to uncover new potential benefits of Shilajit, making it a promising natural supplement for various health conditions. Section 6. Unlock your potential, experience the power of Shilajit. This ancient substance has been revered for centuries for its incredible health benefits and transformative properties. Shilajit is a potent natural substance that offers a wide range of health benefits. It is formed over centuries from the slow decomposition of plants and minerals, making it a rich source of fulvic acid and over 85 essential minerals. From boosting energy levels to supporting cognitive function, Shilajit can help you unlock your full potential. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance performance or a professional seeking better focus and productivity, Shilajit can be a game changer. Backed by scientific evidence and steeped in tradition, Shilajit is a valuable addition to any wellness routine. Researchers have found that it can improve mitochondrial function, which is crucial for energy production at the cellular level. Consider incorporating Shilajit into your life and experience the transformative power of this ancient remedy. Whether you mix it into your morning smoothie or take it as a supplement, the benefits of Shilajit are profound and far-reaching. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.